22nd January, Shift 1, 2025, जेई मेन क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। यहाँ पर हमें तीन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर गिवन है Z1, Z2, Z3 ऑन द सर्कल मॉड ऑफ Z इज इक्वल टू 1 और तीनों का आर्ग्यूमेंट दे रखा है हमें -π/4, 0 एंड π/4। देन वी हैव टू गिवन दैट मॉड ऑफ Z1, Z2 bar, Z2, Z3 bar, Z3 Z1 bar whole square will be equal to alpha plus beta root 2. Then we have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So for that, firstly we should know the concept that is कोई भी complex number Z is equal to x plus iota y. It can be written in the form of mod of Z cos theta plus iota sin theta, where what is theta? Theta is argument of Z. That is किसी भी complex number को आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर mod of Z into e power iota theta के फॉर्म में, where theta is argument of Z. Now जैसे ही हमें ये कंसेप्ट समझ में आ गया, that is now we can write down Z1 as e power minus iota pi/4, Z2 we can write down in the form of 1, and Z3 we can write down e power iota pi/4. This is we can easily write down. Now after that हमें यहाँ पर क्या गिवन है? mod of Z1 Z2 bar, Z2 Z3 bar and Z3 Z1 bar whole square, that is equal to alpha plus beta root 2. जब हम यहाँ पर वैल्यूज पुट अप करेंगे then it will be twice of e power minus iota pi/4 plus e raised to the power iota pi/2 whole square. आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे फर्दर, then it can be changed into the form of mod of root 2 plus iota 1 minus root 2 then whole square. Modulus, we know that one thing we should know, that mod of Z will be equal to root of x square plus y square. Here we have to given mod of Z square, then it can be written in the form of 2 plus 1 minus root 2 whole square. Finally it can be written in the form of 5 minus 2 root 2. और जब हम इसकी कंपेयर करेंगे अल्फा प्लस बीटा रूट 2 से, then by comparison we will find that alpha will be equal to 5 and beta will be equal to -2. So here we have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. Alpha squared, that is 5 square, beta squared, that is minus twice of whole square, it will be 25, it will be 4. Then finally it will be equal to 29. That is option number D will be the correct option.